The most noticeable difference between a developed country and a developing one is in the state of its public services and infrastructure. A huge majority of public expenditure of developing countries go into infrastructural development and public services. As the world becomes more and more developed, we use more commodities, consume more resources, and discard more garbage. As a result, the problem of solid waste management falls heavier on these governments.
Open litter lying on the streets of India make it home to the biggest number of street dogs, not to mention public health challenges during flood. Despite multitudes of law and instructions, there is hardly any recycling and almost no segregation of municipal solid waste. On the other hand, there exists a disorganized indigenous chain of itinerant buyers called kabadiwalas who buy the profitable part of the recyclable wastes, metal, glass, leather, rags, some plastics and paper in better conditions and feed a long supply chain of recycling industry. While one may save newspapers or old radios for the kabadiwala, nobody stores every small plastic wrapper for them. Moreover, since they are disorganized, they buy only the profitable and segregated part of the waste, while the municipality has to deal with the less revenue generating organic waste and the resorted dry waste.
We propose a corporate system of comprehensive waste management and recycling which can grow with the multiplication of its modules. We would set up a garbage collection network or tie up with an existing one to collect solid waste from homes, factories and market. While market waste is usually segregated, domestic users can be provided with nominal monetary incentive to do it themselves. The portion still not segregated can be segregated in the plant by the cheap labor force. This will institutionalize the rag picker force who still do it, but with no social protection. While each locality, village or township will have a garbage collection network, there will be a plan to recycle the lowest density waste, that is organic waste and some of the plastic waste. While organic waste can produce biofertilizers, some plastics can produce biofuels. Paper waste and rags can be recycled in some centers while others would transport it to the nearest center having such facilities. All other wastes can be transported to the nearest city.
Our team consists of one electronics engineering graduate who is a law student at IIT Kharagpur and other two mechanical students of IIT Kharagpur only. We are in contact with several veterans of IIT Kharagpur and outside IIT Kharagpur. Our cutting edge is to acquire and accumulate and assimilate the newest technologies in this field just to facilitate this cause only.